very good afternoon to everyone. I think Shri Gopal Shetty ji has given us great insightful thoughts on this program. I would first like to extend my greetings to Shri Gopal Shetty ji, Mrs. Chatterjee, Mrs. Joshi, Mrs. Chakravarti, and noted dignitaries, eminent guests, and at the onset, my congratulations to Mr. Sanjay Tyagi and the entire team of CGYAN for hosting such a wonderful program. I am honored to be part of this program and a very warm welcome to the students out there. You are the star of this program and I expect a complete participation in each and every thing that is being shared with you today. This is probably one of the turning point programs of your life, I believe. To start with, I would quickly like to introduce where I'm coming from. So I'm Pallavi Srivastava, trustee to Divyash Foundation. We are a 10-year-old organization, an NGO established in Mumbai, and we have our founder, Mrs. Amrita Devi Fadnavis. She's traveling, so could not be part of with us today here. But under her leadership, we have been doing very impactful initiatives for the youth, for the students, and across. So in these 10 years, we have worked for the underprivileged and marginalized sections of the society. We have taken great initiatives in areas of education, skill development. We have worked for financial literacy, for various initiatives towards building up safer environment for our coastal areas. And I believe it's where that Sanjay has also worked with us. And we had a very great initiative named Bache Bole Bodia, which is primarily about developing a sustainable environment for the coming generation. And we constantly work for women empowerment. That brings us here today because I think what is important and what is lacking rather in this entire scenario of Indian maritime is the presence of women workforce. So while the numbers have been increasing with the visibility of women, Nari Shakti can be seen at the deck, at the engines, at the various ports, but I believe the numbers still can be very high compared to the male ratio that is currently present. And this generation, I believe, needs to revisit our seas because nearly 70% of the trade by way of value and 90% by way of volume happens through the sea. India is blessed to have a very vast coastal line. We have 12 major ports and around 200 odd non-major ports. All this put together talks immensely how important it is for our nation to have a strong maritime. More importantly, being a woman, I believe it's very important to have an empowered women workforce there visibly in front of us. Maybe the coming decade would be able to see a more inclusive workforce there at the next decade. So I would urge all students today here to revisit, to understand what is being shared today, to take a very wise decision, step up and help build a stronger